Okay, guys, let's talk about the Apple FineWoven case really quickly. So I didn't want to make a video of me unboxing this and putting it on, stuff like that, because I wanted to really test this thing out before I actually do this video. So anyway, here's the thing. I have been using this case for the past, well, ever since the phone launch, which today is October 5th, so the phone has been launching for probably about 2 weeks now. If you've watched this channel, you know that we do a lot of cases. I mean, I have, I'm still reviewing cases till this day. And so far, the FineWoven case has been really good. And I'm not sure if you've read the Verge article or not, but they pretty much don't like it. They said that it's scratched easily with the fingernail, which, to be honest with you, I think any case, if you run through it with your fingernail, it's going to put scratches on it, right? So if you look at it right here, this is the state of it after 2 weeks right here. It's pretty much, I mean, to me, it looks, other than a few scratches here and there, it looks like it's normal wear and tear to me. There isn't any issue that goes on with the case. On top of that, I feel like the feel of the case is really good. It feels like it's a piece of cloth, but it's really not. I don't know. Maybe that's why it's called FineWoven, but I really like the feel of this thing. The side of it is plastic, and it feels like it's not going to slip out of your hand, So anyway, I've used other Apple's cases before, like the leather case, and some of the other silicone case when they first came out. Those were fine too, but I think this is their best case right here. So I'm not sure why The Verge don't like it, but I really like it. And you can see right here, this is my fingernail right here, and here you go. We're scratching it. I mean, come on. If you use your fingernails to scratch your case, it's going to leave these marks, right? I don't think you can prevent that. From a wear and tear standpoint, yeah, it's going to scratch up if you use a knife and your fingernails to scratch on it. So I don't think it's that big of an issue. Now, here's the beauty about this case. So there is a feature that I don't think a lot of people know about on this case. Look at that animation. Yeah, that's one feature about this case that I don't think a lot of people know, that I don't get with any other case. It's an Apple thing, right? That Apple does to their case. And that's what I feel like. As soon as you put it on, you get this ring on there. And obviously I can't get it to redo again, but yeah, it's just those little things that they add onto their accessory that you don't know about, So there's some kind of NFC chip in here that actually reads it. So it's pretty incredible that they do stuff like that. But yeah, overall, I totally love this case, and I think that everyone should actually get it on sale. It's pretty pricey from a pricing standpoint when it comes to a case. So I would say that for someone who wants the best case out of the gate right away, I would say this is probably one of the best case out of the gate right away. It feels good. The whole scratching thing, I mean, you put it in and out of your pocket with keys and stuff like that, yeah, it's going to get scratched up. Like any other case that I have here, I can attest that they will do the same thing. So anyway, that's it for me right there. I just wanted to point that out. The woven case from Apple is actually a pretty good case, guys. Go out there and get it if you can afford it, okay? Have a good one. Bye-bye.